We're at the National Hardware Show looking at some of the cool things, and that brought me over to the Bakerstone booth. Now, a lot of you have seen the video we did looking at the Bakerstone pizza oven. That was an accessory that you could use on your grill. Now they have some different things that they're launching here in 2018 and looking ahead into 2019. And I've got Tim here. Tim, tell us a little bit more about this. Is a standalone unit now.
Yeah, so now we have a full portable gas unit that allows you to perfectly heat the pizza oven box and cook at temperatures of 750 to 850 off of just 25,000 BTU. And one of the best features about this is that this oven, when it lifts off, can actually be replaced with cooking grates or a full griddle. So then it has multi-functionality, and you're going to be able to cook artisan quality pizzas in 2 to 4 minutes, or be able to use these griddle accessories or grill plates and just replace that, and then you've got superior multi-functionality compared to just having our pizza oven.
And now this is a tabletop design, and you had a standalone also?
Yes, so this is a tabletop design. We do have a cart top version of the same firebox, and that allows you to have, folding side tables and be a freestanding grill.
So now looking ahead, you guys have got some really big things coming out here.
Yes, we do. So coming out in 2019-2020 season, we're going to have a full freestanding grill with that cart version built into the side of it. So we have a multi-function cooking center that gives you a 4-burner grill with side burner and rotisserie functionality, and that same multi-functionality on the pizza oven portion to be a full griddle or additional grilling surface. And we're going to have high-end, low-end versions for different retail price points.
One last question, Tim, before we wrap up. How is the maintenance and such? When you're looking at a pizza oven like this in the high temperatures, is there maintenance a little bit different?
So there's really not too much maintenance on this. One of the worst things that'll happen is you throw a pizza in here and the toppings get everywhere, and you'll have sauce and cheese bubbling away on the deck. But all we have to do is let that burn off, so heat on high for 15 minutes if it's really bad, and just keep scraping the layers that burn off into the vent that's in the back. And it's extremely easy to clean. One of the best things is if you did break or have to replace one of the stones, it's a 5 different stone design, so we can replace one individual, a side, back, bottom, or a top. And if the cheese and sauce was very bad on the bottom stone, you can actually take the 2 brackets off, flip the bottom stone over, and all that will burn off the next time with your nice clean surface to cook on.
Very nice. Easy to maintenance. That's what we like.
Yes.
For more information, where can they go to check these out?
You can go to our website at www.bakerstonebox.com.
That sounds great. We'll put that link in the description below so you guys can check these out. But if you want to do some pizza outdoors, this is a way to check it out here from Bakerstone.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.